People today talk about Guess mostly as a fashion brand, but in Los Angeles, Guess was bigger than that. Guess fed a lot of mouths in the Los Angeles fashion industry. Younger audiences mostly remember the ads, the denim, the triangle logo, the black and white campaigns. But inside the garment industry, Guess was a machine, a real economic engine inside Los Angeles fashion. In the 1980s and 90s, Guess helped define the image of Los Angeles denim around the world. Sexy, washed denim, Hollywood energy, California lifestyle. Before premium denim became an official category, Guess was already building the blueprint. What most people never understood is how many businesses were connected to Guess: factories, contractors, denim laundries, trim companies, showrooms, sales reps, production teams, shipping, packaging, children's wear, home collections. Entire sections of the Los Angeles garment industry moved through brands like Guess. I remember this personally. I worked with companies producing Guess licensed products over 30 years ago. One of those companies was Paul Davril, where we produced Guess men's and boys. Later, when I was director at Pour le Bébé in Commerce, California, during the late 90s, we held the license for Guess infants, babies, layette, kids, denim, and even the home collection. And when you were inside those operations, you understood how large the Guess ecosystem really was. This is the part fashion history doesn't always document correctly. Guess didn't just sell jeans, Guess helped sustain infrastructure. A lot of people built careers connected to that business. A lot of families survived because of work connected to companies like Guess. Part of the reason Guess doesn't always get proper recognition is because they became too commercially successful. Fashion culture often romanticizes smaller or more exclusive brands, but brands that move massive volume while shaping culture, sometimes they get overlooked historically, but industry people remember, especially in Los Angeles. Guess helped establish Los Angeles denim as a global fashion language. And without brands like Guess, the later rise of premium LA denim probably looks very different. So, whether people give them credit or not, Guess made a real contribution to Los Angeles fashion history. And yes, Guess fed a lot of mouths in Los Angeles fashion. This is the part they don't put on the label.